My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove fake Microsoft Windows Helpline alerts that come from the random website. These fake alerts also claim to be Windows Defender security notifications, and they quote this fake Microsoft Windows Helpline number 888-537-3575. It is a deception to trust these pop-ups. They are absolutely faulty. They are not related to Windows or to Microsoft. Instead, there are some hackers who stand behind these pop-ups and they try to force you into calling this fake number to scare you even more and to make you waste your money for nothing. So if you see these pop-ups, don't tolerate them, don't trust them, don't call this fake number. Such pop-ups could be the result of some adware on your computer. To detect it, I would recommend that you thoroughly investigate your system with the reliable antivirus software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install the software, and begin investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.